Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nisi, and for today's DIY I'll be showing you how I made my blinged out map of the USA. First thing I did was cut out my mirrors for the border of the frame. This is gonna be a two-part video showing you all my mistakes and how I fixed them. I'm not good at drawing, guys, so I looked online for a map and I draw it on a background paper and I traced it and then I spray painted it with silver paint. I like the full look of the crushed glass, so I use tacky glue to lay my glass and I leave it to dry for about 4 hours, and then I shook off the excess and I repeated this step. For the third layer and to seal the glass, I used Mod Podge and a little bit of silver glitter dust. I did not show you how I painted the frame because you'll see that I did not finish with that frame. I used school glue to attach the design. I then realized it looked way off, and the main reason was I did not use measurements when I was drawing, so it looked a little skinny, and the Florida and the Texas is not positioned correctly. So I carved Florida out and I reattached it. I started laying my border to see how it looked, but it was not cutting it. That was a no-no. So I carved through the foam and I decided that I would just do it over. Even though the first painting actually looked like the ocean and it looks better than what I ended up doing. Carved it out, I attached the map to fit into what I drew. This time I did not spray the foam board. Then I painted on the foam board. I painted on the black foam board. I did not spray paint it. I used blue paint, silver paint, and green paint. I filled in the drawing with crushed glass, and I go around the edges to take out any glass that didn't give me a clean shape. I played around with the mirror until they fit evenly on the border, and then I used Gorilla Glue and hot glue, and then I glue them down, and I use 4 strips of bling wrap to cover the edges. I'll definitely use real canvas next time. because this glass is heavy. It's the real thing. It's not like mirrored paper. So, and this one, I'll attach this one to an old frame that fits about 2 inches in because it needs the support. But for now, it's sitting on this floating shelf, and I'll give an update hopefully soon when I get this done. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Please do me a favor. There's a thumbs up button below this video on the left hand side. Please click that button. It should turn blue. And then on the right hand side, there's a subscribe button. Please click that button. Also, there's the bell. You can just click the bell icon and select all, and you will be notified of all my future uploads. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.